Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a Moroccan Zaalouk or eggplant dip or appetizer. Different than the one that I had in the channel before. As you see here, it looks so delicious and nutritious, very easy, vegan, gluten-free, and very simple to make. We need some eggplants. I have 2 eggplants here. I will put some holes on the eggplant. Of course, you wash your vegetables first. I will put little holes with the knife for both eggplants. And I place it in the air fryer. I have orange pepper, bell pepper. You can use any bell pepper you have, red or orange. And I have 2 heads of garlic. I will roast them too. 2 tomatoes and 1 onion. I will put some olive oil, coat all of them with olive oil. I will not use both heads of garlic here, but since I'm roasting my vegetables, I'm roasting extra garlic to use for other dishes. But coat all your vegetables, any vegetables you use, coat it with some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. This recipe is very easy, simple, but so delicious. Let's see. The pepper also. The rest of the olive oil on my hand was enough for all these vegetables. In the same time, this recipe is easy, but also it's very healthy. All the vegetables are roasted, not fried. You keep all the nutrients and health benefits on it. I will roast them on the air fryer, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And also depend on how big is your eggplant. You might go to 35 to 40 minutes, but for me 30 minutes was enough to roast all these vegetables. That's the vegetables after 30 minutes, and remember, in halfway open and turn over the vegetables to the other side to roast evenly. And this is how it looks after 30 minutes. I took all my vegetables out the air fryer basket. Peel the skin, like here, peel skin of the tomatoes. Slice it or cut it into small pieces. It's very soft. I will do the same thing with the rest of the vegetables. The pepper, peel the skin also, and clean the seeds from the inside. Before that, I slice it or chop it also. If you have some red bell peppers, you can roast them. They come good with this recipe. I have an onion here. Also slice it or chop it. I use a big knife here to chop the onions really good. I don't like the big pieces of onions. Then each vegetable I chopped, I put it in a small pot to roast everything on the top of the stove. Here for the garlic, you see how soft this roasted garlic. I peel the skin and take all the garlic out, but I'm using only the half of this quantity. The other half I will use it for another recipe. I put it in a container and put it on the fridge. It stays really good. You can use it with garlic bread or to make some pasta sauce. For a lot of recipes that call for garlic. And the roasted garlic have a very nice taste. It's soft. Yeah, I will add it to the rest of the vegetables. You see all of them. The last step, I'm peeling here the eggplant. It's very soft, easy to peel the skin off, it's not hard. If you have a bigger eggplant than this, you might call for 35-40 minutes. You check it and see if that's soft and done. You see it's very soft and the skin come off very, very easy. Then I will chop it the same way how I did for the other vegetables and add it to the rest. As you see here, it's very easy to chop or cut into smaller pieces, very soft. Don't need that much effort. It's only you pass the knife like that. It's so easy, soft and done. That's how you know that your eggplant is roasted and ready to go. We turn the stove on a medium heat, then add a good quantity of olive oil. The eggplant need some good quantity of olive oil. Some harissa hair or chili powder or cayenne pepper, salt, and cumin, ground cumin is good if you have a fresh cumin. Some paprika, very simple the spices, and also a little bit of smoked paprika, but if you don't have it, it's not necessary. A little bit, don't add a lot to don't change the taste. And mix everything. The tomato sauce, we add also like 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, but depend on the quantity of the eggplant that you have and vegetables. Mix everything together. It will not take that much time to cook this appetizer or eggplant dip, because all the vegetables are well done. It's only a few minutes. Then last step, when it's done, we add the fresh chopped cilantro. That cilantro leaf is different than the parsley. It's very light in color. We add some fresh cilantro. Mix for like a minute. Then turn the stove off, and our appetizer, Moroccan Zaalouk or eggplant dip or appetizer, a hot appetizer, it's ready. Look how it looks, so delicious and nutritious. Very easy to make, and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in a new recipe and new video.